If you want to scan QR codes on Google Pixel 11, we have two main methods. The first method is to use the camera. So once you open the camera and if you use the photo mode, then you can just point at the QR code. And then if it's detected, if the camera reads the QR code, you should be able to find a link above these zoom options. So you can tap on that link in order to open it in a browser. In case it doesn't work, you want to go to settings here in the bottom left corner and then tap on these three dots in the upper right corner of that menu. And then here you want to make sure that camera scan suggestions are enabled. The second method that allows you to use a QR code scanner is by going to the quick settings panel or the control center. But in here, by default, apparently the QR code scanner is not added. So you might need to use this pen here on the right side. And then in utilities, you should be able to find QR code scanner. So I'm just going to add it to this list over here. And now we can use it to open the QR code scanner. There we go. And we can open the generated link. And in addition to that, you can also copy the text or share the generated text from the QR code. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.